Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my body care essentials for the winter season. Now, of course, we change our body care essentials every other season, like usually summers and winters, which is quite natural. But I feel like I have kind of gotten out of this rut of trying so many extensive routines and hoarding things. I finally have found that the basics have been working really well. I can give you guys 2-3 options in those basics and whatever works for you, but I feel like some of the things within our budget, like of course on Amazon you can find all of these things, will work well. And I've kind of limited my routine because I don't need the shower mousse and shower oil and bath oil and all of that. Few basic routine and you're sorted for the winter season. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the basic shower, and this is just like body care products, nothing above and beyond that. For skincare and hair care, I'll be making a separate video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let's move on to the body care products. Of course, the classic Dove body wash, I think you cannot go wrong with it. Go for the relaxing care one. It's great for winters. For 400 rupees, you get a 1 liter to 800 ml of the product, and it's going to last you throughout, like even if your entire family uses it. So that's a great option. Secondly, if you're someone who really doesn't like to use body washes and prefers soap, this is a soap that I would recommend. Actually, this is a soap that I've been using for my detanning, which is the Kojic Acid Dermatouch Kojic Acid soap. But I've been using it currently because my hands have been terribly tanned, and if you follow me and if you have seen my previous videos, you would know how my hands were and how they are right now. It's an extremely effective soap for detanning. And in India, the summers are also during the monsoon season and we all get tanned. So if you really want to detan during the winter, start using this soap. The best part about the soap is that it's not at all dehydrating. Your skin will be hydrated. So if you're someone who doesn't want to use a body wash, start using this Kojic Acid soap. I'm just going to use it for the time, till the time it gets over, so that my detanning is gone, and then I'll go back to my Dove body wash. But it's a great option. Now for body scrubs, we as girls, we tend to, really like to enjoy these body polishing scrub sessions, and it's something that we should do. Irrespective of that, I prefer using like a very moisturizing thick butter body scrubs are very more effective than using those harsh scrubs. So I go for the trusted one. This is the Dove exfoliating body polish in brown sugar and coconut butter. So please go for those ones. I think they have one with a mango butter as well. I personally love the scent of it. It's because it's very nice and I've used it so much. Smells so good and relaxing, great for winters. So instead of going for those harsh body polishes or those strawberry scrubs with gel, go for something that is enriched with butter and oil. So this Dove body polish is great because it works like of course for exfoliating, but it will not dry out your skin and make it very rubbery or very texture oriented. So you can go for something like this, and of course on Amazon you get it at good discount. On its own it's a little expensive. It retails for I think 799 rupees, but on Amazon you can find it at up to 50% off as well. So that's all you need in the shower. Coming for the post shower session, there are a few 2-3 steps that I would follow. First is your underarm deodorant care. I love my Sol de Janeiro underarm deo sticks. You can try that one out as well, but of course spending 1600 rupees on an underarm deodorant is not something that will fit into everyone's budget. So for the same, I have another recommendation, which is a recent launch. I don't know if it's a launch in India, but it's available on Amazon. This one is the Dove Radiant Care Deodorant Dry Serum. So it's a dry serum. It of course comes out as a moisturizer, but it dries out as a serum, and it's for your underarm. So I have picked up their 3% niacinamide serum. They also have another one that you can go, but I wanted the niacinamide one. So this is how it is. You have a little bit of deodorant coming out, and then you just use this to emulsify. Now I'm not going to use it over here because I've been using it in my underarms, but I'll just show you. You just blend it like this, with that roller, and then you're done. This is such a nice hydrating product for your underarm. It's like a serum infused product, and if you're someone who doesn't want to use those Nivea deodorants, please start using this. This is the MRP is, I think MRP is 299 rupees, like 300 rupees, but you will always get it on discount on Amazon, I think around 250 rupees also. But even if you have to pay 299 rupees, that's a great deal. So yeah, this is great for winters. Now after this, you have body lotions and body butters. If you have extremely dry skin, skin, or if you stay in places where it goes in like single digit degrees, please use a body butter. I have 2 body butter recommendations. First is the Sol de Janeiro Balm Dior Bright Cream. It's a thick body butter. This is extremely expensive. If you have the budget, pick it up, because this small tub is for 2,000 rupees. If you buy the big one, that is for 6,000 rupees. I know it's outrageously expensive, but it's a very good body butter, so you can try this one out. If you're looking for something on a budget, like extreme budget, I have this one. This is the Nivea Soft Get Party Ready Blossom Body Butter. This is how it is. It's thick. I've used it so much. Nivea is like, again, a trusted brand, so you know, you can pick this one up. It has a very nice subtle scent, and just see, it gets absorbed quickly. So this is their jojoba oil cherry blossom body butter. So this is very affordable. Sometimes you can find it at 50% off as well for like 200 rupees. So do get this. Now for body lotions, I personally prefer using body lotions on a regular basis during winters. A little more heavy and thick moisturizing body lotions. And sometimes when I know it's extremely cold, or I have done my body polishing using the Dove Body Scrub, then only I use the body butters. So I have 2 recommendations in body lotion. First of all, if you have very, you know, normal skin and don't want something very thick, you can go for this one. This is such an underrated product, which is the M. Caffeine Vanilla Dream Serum Body Lotion. Smells like vanilla beans and gets absorbed instantly. It's a lightweight serum infused body lotion. It also has a blueberry variant and a pumpkin spice variant, perfect for the fall winter season. So you can try that one out, but I really like the original vanilla one. And secondly, just because it's in the trend and it's extremely hydrating, I have the Plum Marshmallow Melt. This is the Plum Body Loving Marshmallow Melt Body Lotion, affordable one. I personally would choose the vanilla one over the plum one, but it's more thicker in consistency and more hydrating because it's a proper body lotion, and this is a serum body lotion. So you can pick up either of them. The quantity is great for this one. You can also pick up their Caramello one, but this was a recent launch and everybody was talking about it, so I decided to go ahead with this. The last 3 recommendations are just some nicks and knacks, which I feel if you are someone who's a little extra, can, you know, pick it up. First I have is a hand cream. There are amazing hand creams available in the market. You can get any of the hand cream. I personally wanted to recommend this one. This is the Fix Derma Anti-Aging Hand Cream. So if you're anyone above the age of 25 or even the age of 30 plus, and your hands have already started to get wrinkles because of the sun damage, start using this hand cream, especially during the winters. It's a beautiful hand cream from Fix Derma. It retails for 275 rupees, but you'll always find it on discount on Amazon. I'll leave the link below for this. It's a beautiful hand cream. It has no fragrance, but it's enriched with shea butter and ceramides and passion fruit oil, so it has a very nice sweet scent naturally, and I really like to use it, especially, you know, when I've done like lots of makeup and shoot and I've removed a lot of things after my live sessions. I would use this hand cream to moisturize my hands. So this is one. 2 other extra recommendations. First is this Uriage thermal spray. Now this is only for people who has a lifestyle where either they are going out and moving out a lot, or you know, someone like me who goes through a lot of shoots, makeups, removing, and then again adding makeup and all of that. This thermal spray will soothe your skin, especially during these harsh winters and summers as well. Both the times you can use it. And this one from Uriage is so budget friendly because you get such a huge thing for like budget. I think for 650 rupees or something you're getting this huge, you know, spray, and I've used it half. It's so convenient and nice, and I really like to use it. You can use it on your face, on your body. I personally prefer to use it on my spray. It's a thermal spray. It soothes, it cools you. If you get eczema during winters, those red spots, blisters, great for that as well. And the last recommendation I have is a sunscreen, which you would use as a body sunscreen. I personally have faced so much of tanning on my hands that I've gotten into a habit of using body sunscreen, especially on my hands, even if I'm going out during the winters. So if you're someone like me, you can pick up the Aqualogica's 5 Barrier Plus Repair Sunscreen, which is enriched with ceramides. This Aqualogica range is so good. I've already spoken about it, and this sunscreen is hydrating, it's thick, it's perfect for daily use. So I would recommend this one. Those were all of my favorite body care essentials for this winter. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.